Welcome students. Today we will discuss the questions with answers of SGP2 of Biju Patnaik and his Dakotas. Let's start. Question 1. What is the third paragraph about? Can you locate the main theme or point of the paragraph? It is in the first line. The third paragraph is about Biju's adventures in air with his Dakota. The main theme or point of the paragraph is Biju's adventurous acts in air with his Dakota. Question number 2. This paragraph describes two adventures of Biju Patnaik with his Dakotas. What are these two adventures? Where did they happen? Answer. This paragraph describes two adventures of Biju Patnaik with his Dakotas. They are 1. Biju Patnaik brought back the Indonesian leaders by his Dakota when the Dutch planes were flying around to shoot his aircraft down. 2. He supplied necessary things to Indian soldiers during the war in Kashmir with Pakistan. These two incidents happened respectively in Indonesia and India. Now question 3. Who did he bring back from Indonesia? Answer. He brought back the Indonesian leaders from Indonesia. Question 4. Was it daredevil or risk-taking job? Why? Yes, it was daredevil or risk-taking job because it was not a childish game or easy task to bring back the Indonesian leaders safely when the Dutch planes were flying around to shoot his aircraft down. Question 5. What did he do during in war in Kashmir? Answer. He supplied necessary things to Indian soldiers during the war in Kashmir. Now question 6. What did the Indonesian government honor Biju with? Answer. Indonesian government honored Biju Patnaik with the title of Bhumiputra. Question 7. What is the meaning of Bhumiputra? Answer. The meaning of Bhumiputra is the son of soil. Now question 8. What are paragraph 4 and 5 about? Can you locate the theme or main ideas? Answer. Paragraph 4 and 5 are about how Biju Patnaik had considered his Dakotas as living beings. Question 9. Who did Biju tell one of his daredevil experiences? Answer. He told one of his daredevil experiences to Mr. Dheer. Question 10. What work did Mr. Dheer do? Answer. Mr. Dheer did researches on Biju Patnaik and his Dakotas. Question 11. Why did the ground staff rush to Biju? Answer. The ground staff rushed to Biju Patnaik to inform that something was leaking from the aircraft. Now question 12. What did Biju ask the ground staff to do? Answer. Biju Patnaik asked the ground staff to bring some leaking thing. Question 13. What did Biju do with the liquid? Answer. Biju tested the liquid. Question 14. Did he stop or fly? Answer. No, he did not stop. He flew away. Question 15. Did Biju really consult his Dakota or the writer thinks so? Answer. Absolutely, the writer thought so. Question 16. Which word in the last but one sentence will help you to get the answer to question number 15? Answer. The word living being will help us to get the answer to question number 15. Question 17. Why did the writer think that Biju must have consulted his Dakota? Answer. The writer knew that Biju Patnaik had considered his Dakotas as living beings, so he thought that Biju must have consulted his Dakota. Question 18. What does the writer think the Dakota must have told Biju? Answer. The writer thinks that the Dakota must have told Biju, nothing, let's go. Question 19. Do you like Biju as a person? Why? Answer. I like Biju Patnaik as a person because he was a courageous and helping person.